a few months ago and my whole house changed, but I totally forgot to upload that video. So I'm gonna upload this video, but you're gonna see the drastic change on an upcoming new video. As you can tell, I added curtains. You'll see in the video the whole spectrum. I'm gonna keep adding things, and as we go and as we move things around, I will take you along with the journey. I love home design. I love interior designing. I love uploading these kinds of videos because that's exactly what I like seeing. But yeah, if you guys love these videos, give it a thumbs up, share, like, of course subscribe. 99.999% of my things at my house are from Homegoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. Those three are sister stores, so it doesn't matter if I mention Homegoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You can find it in any of those three stores for the same price. If I have anything that you guys are interested and it's online, let me know so I can look it up for you guys. But other than that, some of the things that I show in this video do have tags, so that's pretty awesome that I still kept the tags on. Keep on watching if you're interested to know how I ended up decorating a few months ago. Alright, so once you step in, you see the first thing is the kitchen. Does not look like this whatsoever anymore. I actually ended up getting a bigger table and a couch that goes in the kitchen, and here is an overview of the living room. It just doesn't look the same, you guys, I swear. I actually ended up just filming these two areas because I didn't like the footage I recorded in the kids room, my room, and the bathroom, but that is going to be in an upcoming video, I promise. But for right now, I really tried hard to get a video up today. So in this corner, all this is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Homegoods, except that one and sign, that one right there, is from Burlington. This whole wall, all the pictures are from Homegoods. I am in love how this wall looks, except I need something else on top of the TV, and I still haven't found something that I love. These stands are from Homegoods. I still kept the price for this video, except one of my kids ended up breaking one of them. But I actually wanted to put flowers in there, so now that one is broken, I'm trying to DIY to see what I could do now with it because they are pretty pricey. Everything on top is from obviously those three stores, except the mirrored table. The mirrored table is actually from Target. Make sure you guys save money if you upload the app and wait until they have a sale on this table because it was just $80. This corner right here, that chair, you guys, actually ended up getting at Goodwill. But you believe it or not, when I flipped on the bottom, it still had the Homegoods tag, or the Homegoods like little numbers. But I got it for less than $10, and it's one of my favorite chairs. The painting on that other wall, I forgot to mention, is also from Homegoods. This table is from IKEA, and everything else on this table is obviously from those three stores, even the coffee books, you guys. This rug is actually from Burlington, except I don't have it no more because Tic Tac was a puppy and she was using that as a training pad, so I had to throw that away. This whole wall is obviously from those three stores, including that mirror in the back. The kitchen still sort of looks the same, except I have a different table. I'm working on it, you guys. The kitchen's just, it's just a drag. This hallway right here, the white furniture, is actually from IKEA. I wanted to have something slim that goes in the hallway, so I chose to get this one, but everything else is from Homegoods. As you could tell, I'm just not that proud of the kitchen actually, but it still looks the same sort of, except like I said, I do have another table. I put lights on the bottom. I actually want to get a new Keurig as well, just saying. Do you guys ever feel like the Keurig is not hot enough? Just saying. This bar cart is from Target and everything else on it is from Homegoods. Anyway, you guys, here's a quick overlook how everything looks. Oh, this painting is actually from Burlington, which I regret. I said so many times on my videos how much I regretted it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by on my channel. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe.